what makes it a tool and not some weird piece of technology. It's this repeatable thing. You unpack it, you put the wings together, you plug it in, you load your favorite Aero M flight and you throw it, and it does the thing that it's done all those other times at different parts of the year and lands at your feet, and you get images.
I'm Ryan Kunde. I'm winemaker at DRKN Wines in Sebastopol, and we're out here imaging vineyards for my uses. Really, about 95% of winemaking is about the product. It's about the grapes that then become the wine, and only 5% is the winemaking. And it's a non-interventionist craft. It goes up to...
Ryan is an actual wine grower, and he understands problems at a very fine grain resolution.
So we're close to harvest right now. Today my job when I'm looking at that vineyard is to understand what the block's like, what are its characteristics. You know, it's very hard to tell, you know, the health of an entire block just by walking it. But if you're able to image that from above, you can very clearly see these patterns.
So that's really cool. Just see if I can see that.
Really?
Yeah.
He looked at this map that we made in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then he walked out and actually saw something and then decided to do something different based on that. And
I'll probably go up a couple rows, taste a little bit, and then select them out.
Already just today we learned a ton of things about what he's interested in seeing, but it takes coming out here and talking to him and talking to the estate owners and really understanding what their actual problems are. There's a lot of applications. We're actually having 1 centimeter per pixel, so a pixel on every grape, you can see every grape from the air, is hugely important. The 3D robotics mapping platform can do that. But if that's not what's of interest, then you can also generate maps that are made very quickly. Who would have thought that, ironically at a vineyard, he's not interested in that level of resolution, centimeter per pixel on each grape. And that's something I never thought about until talking to him, and that's hugely important.
This one would be very different from the two of these.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Decision made.
Here we go.
I know what to do now.
It's the ease of use, and what you get in the end is potentially higher yield and cost savings.
It's such a powerful tool. It's kind of a paradigm shift. And now whenever you approach a vineyard, you start thinking about how would that look, from above. So it's kind of changed the whole way I think about farming, and just think ahead, 5 years, even less than that, how much further the technology is going to take us, and it just keeps getting better and better.